Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't.
Hey, what's up everybody, it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me today. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey, Shug Muffins. Alright y'all, so today we got another synthetic wig review, and this wig comes courtesy of Sam's Beauty. So huge shout out and thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Today's wig is from the Stylist, and I feel like this year alone, this company, the Stylist, has become a nice staple in my collection. They're easily one of my favorites. Like, they have some really nice wigs in this collection, and I feel like people be really sleeping on the Stylist. Don't sleep on the Stylist. They got some nice wigs. So the unit I'm reviewing today is in the style KAYLA, and I have her in the color Balayage Chocolate. I selected to have this unit in brown HD lace, but you could decide to have her in the natural HD lace as well. Now, I have reviewed this color before, and it's actually of one of my favorite wigs from the Stylist in the style Sheree. I reviewed Sheree in the same color. I absolutely love that unit. So now that you've seen the super easy styling portion of this video, where you saw there was hardly any work involved, there was no gluing down, I decided to do a little swoop on the side. That's definitely preferential. You do not have to do that. And I put a little hot comb to the parting space as well as brighten the parting space. That's really all I did, y'all. No lie. Like, super easy. Of course, I put my little bobby pins here on the side to make sure we got a little security, because we don't need this baby sliding off nowhere, okay? So let's go ahead and get into my thoughts. I really, really do love this unit. First of all, I love the style. Love these nice loose waves on this like short bob style, or kind of a long bob style. But it's super cute, y'all. I really, really love this. There's actually a lot I love about this unit. In addition to that, I love the fact that we get all this free parting space. Do y'all know how excited I get when I see a 13 by 6? Whew. Anything above a 13 by 4, I'm super excited about. Give me options. Give me parting options. So I showed you that during the styling portion where you can part in the middle, you can part on the left, you can part on the right. Styling option. You can even do a little half up, half down. I also love the hairline, y'all. Now, it's not like super duper plucked to perfection, but it looks super natural to me, in my opinion. Y'all let me know what you think. But again, we're not glued down here. Look, parquet, butter. I remember a comedian saying that like years ago, and it's like embedded in my brain. But as you can see, it's not glued down, and she blends so well with this brown HD lace, honey. Oh, when it just brings me joy. Y'all don't even know how excited I am. This is also a very spacious and big head friendly cap. So yes, we can fit all heads here. I absolutely love the texture of this unit. Giving me a lot of Yaki vibes, y'all. Y'all know I'm a fan of the yak. Give me the yak all day. It does have a little hint of silk in there, but not a lot at all. It is mostly yak. Also love this comfortable length, honey. Like, whoo, you're not gonna get a whole lot of, look at this. You're not gonna get a whole lot of tangling with this. You will get a little bit of shedding though. I'm gonna be honest. It does got a little bit of shedding, y'all. Not like heavy, but it's enough to notice for sure. Now, one thing I'm also not a fan of is this color. I wasn't a fan of this like little peekaboo honey blonde in here with Sheree either. I don't know, or Sheree. I'm not sure how to say it. I'm just gonna go with Sheree, the one, my wig that I love. I just don't understand it going underneath. Now, I like seeing it through the unit, you know, on top here. I just don't get, maybe that's the intent, so that it's at the bottom so that it peeks through, you know, on top. I like that, but I don't get why it's underneath. But overall, like, I'm feeling this one, y'all. Like, this is a cutie right here. I could rock this one for sure. This is really nice, I'm not even gonna lie. Especially with this hairline and the fact that I ain't have to glue anything down and how natural it looks just like that. Oh. It's working for me, honey. Yes, it's doing it. She's been around for at least like 5 to 6 months, so somewhere in there. Not too brand new, but I am loving her though. Super cute, y'all. Now you can definitely find this unit on samsbeauty.com for a whopping $39.99, y'all. That is so affordable for all that you get with this unit. I mean, there's so many pros and pluses with this unit that $39.99 is well worth it. And it's only $1 upcharge for this specialty color. Now, I did see like the money piece color was a $2 upcharge, but that's still not a whole ton. Like, come on, you can't beat that, y'all. So of course, I want to know your thoughts. Let me know what you're thinking about this baby down in the comments below. Let me know if you already have her and how you have been feeling about her. Have you been rocking her regularly? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you're not already, make sure you follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. I truly appreciate it as always. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you wonderful people in the next video.
Baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.